there, guys. Thanks so much for popping by. Jami Joe Sells Wax. I am so excited to share with you some of the new fall products today. I got in a bunch of my harvest and Halloween orders. So thank you so much for popping on. Today we are going to be talking about one of those amazing new products. If you're brand new here, I'm so glad that you stopped by. If you love Scentsy and you love hearing about all things Scentsy, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because that's exactly what this channel is all about. It is all things Scentsy fragrance. If you are one of my followers, thank you so much for your patience while I was healing from surgery. It's a long process. I'm going to be healing for a while, but thank you for granting me 2 weeks off of posting videos so I could focus on myself and getting better. Like I said, it's a slow road. I'm going to ease back into doing videos, but I have so much fun, amazing harvest and fall stuff to share with you guys that I'm going to get to it as quick as I can. Today, we are talking about a super cool new item. So this is not only just a new release item because it is Halloween, but this is a brand new product. Now, I did share some of these products with you guys about 2 weeks ago before I stepped away for surgery, but they had not released this Halloween one yet. So let's talk about this new Tabletop Fan Diffuser in this adorable Halloween design. And then we're going to talk about some of the pods that I would suggest to go with it. So if you're not familiar, if you're not familiar with this new product, and chances are you probably aren't because it is brand new, this is so cool. So let me tell you a little bit of the history of this product and how it came about. Scentsy has typically been a company that focused on wax and warmers. That was our main product line. Now, we've always had tons of stuff. You can see all kinds of stuff around me, lots of other products, but the company was based on wax and warmers. We loved those. They give off great fragrance. They're beautiful, but they can sometimes be messy, especially if you have little ones running around your house or fur babies or clumsy husbands, or maybe you're clumsy yourself. The wax can sometimes be a mess. So we had been begging for a mess-free fragrance option. And this is what Scentsy brought to us. Now, they brought it to us in a couple other forms first. We had the Scentsy Go, which was fully rechargeable. We have and we still have the Scentsy Go. We have the wall fan diffusers. We have the mini diffusers, but this, my friends, is brand new. This is a tabletop fan diffuser. So let's talk about how it works. First of all, I love that these tabletops, hopefully you can hear that, they're ceramic. So they have a high-end look, just like our warmers do. Our mini fans, our wall fans, and our Scentsy Goes, they're plastic. That's great. That has its place in time, you know, much more difficult to break, but they just don't look as high quality. This has the look of a warmer, but the mess-free option of those fan diffusers. So how it works, down inside of here, there is a fan. My camera's going to be a little to me. Now, it comes with a cord. It is a USB cord. Let me show you what I mean. So this end is going to go into the warmer. This end, let's see if I can get Mr. Camera to cooperate. There you go. Typical USB cord. So you're going to plug one end into the tabletop diffuser, the other end to the USB. So that means that you have so many options. You can plug this into a computer. You can get one of the wall plug-in pieces, just like you would for your phone, plug it in that way and have the cord. What a lot of people are doing with these new tabletop fan diffusers is they're getting the large battery packs. A lot of people use them to recharge their phones, but they're getting those large battery packs and putting it underneath the warmer plugged in to the USB cord. So yes, you're going to have to recharge that battery pack, but this gives you a cordless fragrance option. Yes, there's still the cord, but you get what I'm saying. So once you plug it in, that fan is going to start and it's going to blow past pods. These are Scentsy fragrance pods. They come in packs of 2. So it's like a plastic cage full of fragranced beads. The fan air is going to blow right past those and put the fragrance out in the air. So completely mess free. How awesome is that? Now, let's talk about, we have this super cute fall tabletop fan diffuser. Let's talk about some fragrances that you might choose. Now, we have 3 fragrances in Scentsy pods that are in our harvest and holiday brochure. This right here. If you want one of these popped in the mail, just shoot me a message down in the comments. I will need your address. You can text that to 918-888-9690. Happy to pop one of these in the mail to you. But you can just look online as well. You can look at JamiJoSellsWax.com and then go to the collections and you'll see all this stuff there. So back to what I was saying. 3 fragrances in the fall catalog, but in our full catalog, our full fall and winter catalog, there's over 43 fragrances. So if one of these aren't your jam, I promise you we have a fragrance for you. But let's talk about these 3 fragrances. Now, I did share these fragrances with you in this cute little set a couple weeks ago. So these are repeats of some of those fragrances. But for those of you who maybe didn't see that video, let's talk about the 3 fragrances for fall. The first is Cashmere Leaves. Now, Scentsy tells us it's apple, falling leaves, and cashmere spice. I love this one. You definitely smell the apple. You can smell the spice, but it's not like one of those that's so powerful that it makes your eyes water. You guys know what I'm talking about. Sometimes those cinnamons and those cloves just get so potent. They're just a little overwhelming. That's not the case with this Cashmere Leaves. You can definitely still smell the apple, that undertone of the spices. I don't know what falling leaves smell like. That's one of the descriptions. I think that would, I don't even know what that would smell like. Evidently it smells like spices because this smells like apples and spices, but apple, falling leaves, and cashmere spice. So I love this one. I would say it's probably a lighter fragrance, but still very noticeable. So if that's something that you go for, if you love the scent of apple, you like that spicy fall feel, this one's definitely for you. Now, this one, on my last video, I got a little bit of flack about it because I told you guys that Fall Into Love reminded me of urinal cakes. And I'm still standing by that statement, but I will tell you that it does smell clean. It smells fresh and clean. Think of like if you would have just mopped your floor. It kind of smells like that too. So Scentsy tells us it's fresh orange peel, cool eucalyptus, and sweet balsam. I kind of smell a little bit of ginger in this. They don't tell us there's ginger in this, so either it's my mind playing tricks on me, or maybe it's just one of the lesser noticed fragrances, so they didn't list it. I like it. It does still smell like urinal cakes to me, but it smells fresh. It smells clean. And if you like those type of fragrances, Fall Into Love is the fragrance for you. And then rounding out the fall fragrances, we have Forever Fall. This is your quintessential, is it quintessential or quintessential? Quintessential? I don't know, but this is the fall fragrance that like, this is your basic white girl fall fragrance. This has baked pumpkin, cinnamon stick, and brown sugar. Think pumpkin spice latte minus the espresso. And that's what you've got here. Heavy on the pumpkin. I'm not a pumpkin fan, so I'm smelling that and kind of holding in my, but that's okay. It's not for me, but it might be for you. If you like pumpkin, Forever Fall is definitely the fragrance for you. Now, like I said, if these 3 fragrances were not your jam, we have 43 other fragrances available. Some super good ones. Let me give you my best recommendations. I would definitely recommend, I hope it comes in pods. Yes, Cozy Cardigan. Cozy Cardigan is all my heart. All my heart. I'm so glad that it came back. Now, if you like a really fresh and clean fragrance, I would recommend Squeeze the Day. That's a great like lemon cookie, yummy, fresh, clean. So good, so noticeable. So this is our brand new tabletop diffuser for the fall. I didn't even tell you guys what it's named. Its name is Happy Jack. How cute is that? Happy Jack, and he is a limited time offer item. So he came out on September 1st in the Harvest and Halloween catalog. When he sells out, he's gone. So don't delay in getting him. I recommend you grab some pods to go with it, because otherwise he's kind of useless. So grab your Happy Jack fan diffuser and some Scentsy pods. You can grab those, like I said earlier, over at JamiJoSellsWax.com. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to me. 918-888-9690 is the number that you can text. Guys, my name is Jami Jo. I'm so happy you popped by. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel to get all the Scentsy news, Scentsy product descriptions, and recommendations. Other than that, thanks for popping by, and I hope you have a sensational day.